Hello everyone, I am Sri Sridar Bhanu Velagapudi, founder, CEO and president of Customer Awaz, a platform for Indian consumers' rights for spreading education and empowering the consumers through the same. KhetiValah started a dialogue platform on agriculture and allied sectors named KhetiValah, coming to you every Friday with a new topic. This Friday, April 5th, 2024 at 6:30 p.m., the topic is Farmers as Consumers Within Our Economy and Ecosystem. This Friday, I am coming to share my experiences in KV Dialogue 15. I request all the farmer brothers and relevant stakeholders to participate in this interesting discussion platform. Come, let's all join hands for India to rise to the top in the agricultural sector. I appeal to everyone to come and join KhetiValah's movement of building a healthy India. Jai Bharat, Jai Hind.